Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a truly practical and essential bundle for any electronic drummer. The Alesis Surge 1.5-inch drum rack clamp, L-Rod, and Silverline Audio 10-foot trigger cable bundle. This thoughtfully assembled package brings immediate utility and flexibility to your drumming experience. First up, the Alesis Surge 1.5-inch drum rack clamp and L-Rod combination. This robust duo forms the backbone for adding new elements to your existing drum rack. The clamp is designed to fit any standard 1.5-inch tube diameter rack, boasting broad compatibility with Alesis, Roland, Yamaha, Simmons, Ion, Donner, and many other popular brands. Its design ensures a firm grip, preventing unwanted movement of pads or cymbals during energetic performances. The included L-Rod seamlessly accepts most electronic drum pads or cymbal arms, providing a stable, adjustable platform. Together, they create a solid mounting solution, allowing drummers to add extra snare, tom, or even splash cymbals exactly where needed, opening up new creative possibilities and ergonomic arrangements. Both components are engineered for quick, easy attachment and adjustments, ensuring everything stays put no matter how hard you play. Completing this versatile bundle is the Silverline Audio 10-foot connection cable. This isn't just any cable. It's specifically designed as a trigger cable, ensuring optimal signal transmission from your pad or cymbal to your drum module. The generous 10-foot length is a significant advantage, offering ample reach for flexible pad placement across larger drum setups, eliminating the frustration of short cables. It's compatible with all Alesis electronic drum kits, making it an ideal replacement or expansion cable. Beyond Alesis, its universal trigger cable design means it can easily connect a new pad, cymbal, or other trigger to most electronic drum modules from various manufacturers. Silverline Audio is known for reliable connections, meaning this cable delivers consistent, clean trigger signals without dropouts or interference, vital for responsive electronic drumming. In essence, this bundle provides a comprehensive solution for expanding or maintaining an electronic drum kit. Whether a drummer needs to replace a lost part, add a new trigger, or simply requires a reliable connection, this package delivers. Its wide compatibility across major brands and the quality of each component make it an incredibly valuable addition to any electronic drummer's arsenal, ensuring their setup is always ready for action and adaptable to their evolving needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.